going on, guys? We are headed to the farmer's market. Where are we going, Ruber?
To get orange juice.
And Micah, what do you want to get from the farmer's market today?
Remember the apple guy?
Oh, you want to go see the apple guy?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna head over to get some apples, pears, go see the apple guy, and how about the orange juice?
Yeah.
You want to get that too? Yeah? All righty, let's head over to the Cerritos Farmer's Market, y'all. Let's go. Yeah, try it. How's that? Is that good? What does that taste like? How's that, Mike? Oishii? Oishii? Oishii, Ru? Yeah? Morning, how you doing? What do you say, buddy?
That's your name? How do you say your name? Ruga?
Yeah, what do you want, buddy? Can you tell him?
Orange juice.
Alright, Ruga. You want
Can we get it in the cup, please? Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Thanks for remembering. I appreciate it. Yeah. What do you say, big guy? What do you say, Mike? Thank you so much. What do you see over there, Mai? What is it? Wow. What do you say, Ru?
You're welcome. Here you go. Yo.
Micah, what do you say? Let me see. Hey, Ru, let me see what you got. Oh, what is that? What kind of shape is that today?
A diamond.
It's a diamond? What kind of shape did he cut for you today, Micah?
A salmon.
A what?
A salmon.
A salmon? What is that?
Kitchen close.
Take a bite. See if it's good.
Sometimes with these, like if they're hard,
Oishii?
like you let them get a little soft.
What is that? What is that, Micah?
Carrot bun.
Who's that for?
Rudolph.
Is that for Rudolph? Those are some nice looking carrots. What happened? What do you want? Yeah, what for Rudolph? Oh, the carrots?
Right there.
I thought Christmas is over.
This is an egg.
That's an egg.
Ready, steady.
What did you do?